We'll guide you through how to fix the settings not opening in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because perhaps you're trying to go and change something and you're unable to because you can't get into the settings. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make this full guide and you don't skip anything so you can go through them and find the one that will hopefully go and work for you. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So for the first fix, we're going to try opening up settings in a different way. So what you can do is you can press search at the bottom, type in run, RUN, and click on it. Alternatively, press the Windows key and X together, like so. This opens up and you can press run in the list. Now you're going to go and get this pop-up, and in open, you need to go and type in ms - settings, enter, and then hopefully the settings go and open up. If they do, great. If they still don't, the next thing we're going to try doing is pressing search at the bottom, go and type in task manager. Now what you need to do is you need to go and press search at the top, and you need to go and type in explorer and find explorer in this list, and with it selected you want to go and press restart task. This will just then go and refresh explorer. After you've done that, you can try opening up settings again. You'll go and find when you restart it, it'll go black and it'll go and reload everything. And what you can do is you can go and try pressing search at the bottom, typing in settings, or using the run line we just went and showed you. Next, what we can try doing is a reset. So what you need to do is you need to come to the bottom of your computer and press search, and you want to go and type in PowerShell. You want to go and right click on it and press run as administrator. You'll go and get a security pop-up you need to agree to, and this will go and open up like so. In the description of this video, we're going to go and include a line you need to go and copy. So click, hold, and drag with your cursor over it, then right click it and press copy. Come into PowerShell and then right click, and it'll put the line in, and you can go and press enter and go and let it go and reset. After you've done that, what you can try doing is pressing search at the bottom and opening up settings, and hopefully it'll then go and open and you can go and access them. The next thing you want to try doing is pressing search at the bottom and type in CMD or command prompt, right click on it and press run as administrator. You have to press yes for it to go and open, and it will go and open up. And you want to go and type in sfc /scan. Now, one word. Press enter and it'll go and begin a scan and repair problems that it will go and find. And I hope when this finishes, settings will then go and be able to be opened.